Hey everybody, it's Nicholas Wilton, and that's the noisy guy next door in the studio. My studio's got no ceilings, and so you could throw a tennis ball over into other people's studios, and people are like, this guy's building something, with a power drill. It's kind of hard because that guy, I'm hearing him, but he can also hear me, so it's sort of irritating for everybody, but I'm just gonna plow through this one anyway with all this noise, so sorry. Hope you're having a great Sunday. I just wanted to give you something. It's something I stare at all day long, and I didn't realize that I haven't, excuse me, I haven't ever talked about this. Hold on, I'm getting there. And I want to show you what something that really helps me so much. It cost me 20 bucks. It's a game changer, can really, really help. And for some of you, I think you probably will use this, but maybe for a lot of you, you don't. I've talked a lot about objectivity, being able to see your work fresh for the first time. And what I like to do sometimes to do this, I'll take a picture with my iPhone. I've done a video blog about that, and I'll take a picture and then I'll look at it on my phone. And just doing that, just taking a picture and then I see it smaller and I put it in black and white. It's really, really cool. But the other cool thing I do is, and it's over here on the back wall, check it out. This is a mirror. This is my little mirror that I have on the back wall. And you guys get to meet Ferris, who's my partner in crime, and this is kind of cool. I don't know what happens when we do this, like we're filming in infinity. But this mirror, as you can see, so Ferris, if you can get well, I don't know if you can do this, but can you guys see my painting back there? And it's backwards, but that's kind of the beauty of it. You're seeing your work different and that kind of makes the whole thing so you see it differently. And that's what I love, So, you can see, and it looks weird. And if your composition's weird and imbalanced in the mirror, then it's kind of off balance in real life. We tend to favor like a left-leaning thing, or I think mine's left-leaning. But when you see it in a mirror, it looks off. So if you correct it in the mirror, the view, it usually gets better. Usually if something's off in the mirror, it means something's off in the other direction too. It's our bias. So this provides a lot of objectivity for me, and I just use it all the time. Plus, check it out, I'm twice as far away from my painting as I am standing here because it gives me all this distance. So, it's like I can look in here and I can look there, and it just really gives me a lot of space in the studio. So anyway, I hope that was helpful. I would really get one of these mirrors. They make a huge difference. Okay. Have a great day in the studio if you're in there, and if not, I will see you soon. Thanks.